How's it going, y'all? TK's here again, and I'm back for another slot car unboxing. And I just wanted to say thanks to everyone who commented and messaged me on which one they'd want to see next. You were listened to and almost unanimously decided on the AMG. This is the SCALEXTRIC Mercedes-AMG GT3. Open it up here. Take a nice close look. Really great detail. Love the color. Take a look at the bottom. Pretty simple. Got a little driver. Looks super cool. We got Intelligent Money. We got Stephen Lawrence, Charitable Trust, hashtag End Racism, Zenith Vehicle Management, Sutton Winston, Ceramix, and Yanamize. Very cool. Well, let's take it over to the track, see if we can get the body off this one to take a look, and then send it around for 5 laps and see what kind of fastest lap we can get. All right, so we gotta loosen up these screws to get the body off, and thankfully these came right off, unlike the BRZ, which I still have yet to get the screws off of. But they came out real easy on this one, so I was able to get the body off no problem. And again, I just love the way this car looks. The detail's great, colors are awesome, just all around really good looking car. And the insides are pretty simple. It's got the SCALEXTRIC chip, which isn't really a chip at all, but works digital on a SCALEXTRIC track. However, for Carrera, you have to get an aftermarket chip or a Carrera chips to put in there so you can run it digital. So we will be running this one on the Carrera Evolution analog. All right, let's get these screws put back in, and we'll tighten them all the way down and then give them a little bit of a turn back the other way so that we get some good float in the body, and hopefully that helps us get around the track just a wee bit quicker. And that's a 6.11 fastest lap. Well, that was interesting. I ran it with the Evolution power unit in, so we ran it analog, and it has no grip at all. The 5 laps that you just saw, that was my 3rd attempt of getting 5 laps in without crashing around the turns. It came out of the slot really easy. So this one definitely has some tuning to do, maybe a different guide on it, and definitely do something about the tires. I believe, as we saw there, the fastest lap was 6.11, which isn't that fast around this layout. So definitely have more time to be gained. I did like how quiet it was. It was a very quiet slot car compared to some of my others. Felt very lightweight. But if it could stay in the slot a little bit better, that would be nice. I also remembered to take the wing off before I ran it around, which I'm glad I did, as I crashed it quite a few times. So took the wing off just to make sure we didn't break it. Now we'll put it back on, and it'll go back in the case looking all nice and pretty. I want to thank everybody for watching. Got 2 more unboxings coming up with the Ferrari F1 car and the Lotus Camel F1 car, so stick around for those. I'll hopefully be getting those done here in the near future. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, and yeah, put something in the comments. Let me know what you think. If you want to see anything else, that'd be super helpful. Hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you on the next one.